365 Financial Analyst Review. Is it worth paying for? So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys a review on 365 Financial Analyst. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get discounts right here when you're going to sign up or avail one of these plans right here in 365 Financial Analyst. So yeah, let's move on to the review. So 365 Financial Analyst right here has a lot of great reviews. So first one is we have one right here. So I'm thrilled to have completed the Who Does What in Finance course. As someone aspiring to build a career in finance, this course provided me with the foundational knowledge I needed. My understanding of the field has improved and I couldn't be more grateful. A big thank you to 365 Financial Analysts for delivering such a well-structured and comprehensive course. You truly are the best. Next, we have another one right here. At first, it seemed challenging, but I learned useful skills I could use in my day-to-day life as a financial analyst. I would have appreciated if there was a course note for some of the topics taught, not just infographics. I would go a long way to solidify what one learns after watching the video lessons. So yeah, so in Trustpilot right here, 365 Financial Analyst has a 4.8 star rating out of 5, so that's a pretty good star rating. So yeah, so let's move on to the plans right here. So 365 Financial Analyst has 3 plans right here. So they have a free plan, a premium plan, and a premium annual plan. So for the pre-plan, it's definitely free. So you'll get 16 hours of video, 62 plus exercises, downloadables, self-paced lessons, resume builder, and gamified features. And then for the premium plan, which will cost you around $19 per month. So this one, you'll get 138 hours of video, 288 plus exercises, downloadables, self-paced lessons, resume builder, gamified features, a leaderboard, career tracks, exams, certificates, new content, resume feedback, portfolio advice, and personalized support. And then lastly, we have the premium annual plan right here, in where you can get 20% off if you use the link in the description below. So this one will cost you around $15.25 per month. So this one, it's pretty much the same with the features of the premium monthly plan. And then after that, that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. A review on 365 Financial Analyst and is it worth paying for? So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.